When it comes to your home's heating and cooling system, there's no shortage of advice, and unfortunately, a lot of misinformation too. So let's pull back the curtain and bust some of the most common HVAC myths we hear every day. Myth number 1, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. The truth is, waiting until your system breaks down is one of the most expensive ways to handle HVAC maintenance. Regular HVAC tune-ups keep your system running efficiently and help prevent surprise breakdowns, especially during peak heating or cooling seasons. Preventative maintenance extends the life of your HVAC system, catches small issues before they become major repairs, and helps reduce your energy bills. Myth number 2, bigger HVAC systems are always better. The truth is, an oversized system can short cycle, meaning it turns on and off too frequently. This can lead to poor humidity control, uneven temperatures, and higher utility bills. What you actually need is a properly sized HVAC system based on a professional load calculation. This ensures comfort, energy efficiency, and a longer lasting unit. Myth number 3, closing vents in unused rooms saves energy. Closing vents actually disrupts airflow, increasing pressure in the duct system, and can even damage your HVAC equipment over time. Instead, do this. If you're trying to control the temperature in a specific room, ask us about zoning systems or smart thermostats. Myth number 4, AC units just need refrigerant top-offs every year. The truth is, if your system needs a refrigerant refill, there's a leak, and that's a problem that needs to be fixed, not just ignored. Refrigerant doesn't get used up like fuel. A well-maintained system should not lose refrigerant. Myth number 5, the lower you set your thermostat, the faster it cools. The truth is, your HVAC system works at the same speed no matter what temperature you set it to. Setting it lower won't cool your home any faster, it'll just run longer and use up more energy. A pro tip is to use a programmable or smart thermostat to manage your comfort efficiently, especially when you're not home. So the final take, don't let HVAC myths cost you. At Affordable Comfort, we're not just here to fix systems, we're here to give homeowners confidence in their HVAC decisions. If you've got questions about your heating, cooling, or indoor air quality, reach out. No pressure, just real answers from experts who care.